Understanding intestinal health. The intestines are pivotal in our overall health, serving as the primary site for digestion and nutrient absorption. When we consume food, it travels through the digestive tract, where the intestines break it down into essential nutrients that our body needs to function optimally. This process provides energy and supports vital bodily functions, including immune response and hormone regulation. A well-functioning intestinal system is crucial for maintaining a balanced and healthy body. However, many people experience common intestinal problems that can disrupt this essential function. One such issue is leaky gut syndrome, where the intestinal lining becomes damaged, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream. This can lead to inflammation and trigger various symptoms, including fatigue, food sensitivities, and autoimmune disorders. Other common intestinal problems include irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and constipation, all of which can significantly impact daily life. The impact of poor intestinal health extends beyond just digestive discomfort. Research has shown that an unhealthy gut can contribute to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and even mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. When the gut microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to systemic inflammation, affecting the digestive system and the entire body. Understanding the role of your intestines and recognizing the signs of intestinal problems is the first step toward improving your overall wellness. By prioritizing gut health, you can enhance your quality of life and support your body's natural healing processes. Natural remedies for repairing intestines. Incorporating natural remedies into your diet can significantly improve intestinal health. One of the most effective ways to support gut health is by consuming probiotics-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in the gut microbiome. Foods like yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics, promoting healthy digestion and enhancing the immune system. Including these foods in your daily routine can help replenish the good bacteria in your intestines, aiding in the repair process. In addition to probiotics, fiber-rich foods play a crucial role in maintaining intestinal health. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are packed with dietary fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals, you support your digestive system and boost your overall nutrient intake. Hydration is another essential aspect of gut health that is often overlooked. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the digestive system functioning smoothly and aids in the absorption of nutrients. Herbal teas such as ginger or peppermint can also be beneficial for soothing the digestive tract and reducing bloating. These natural remedies promote hydration and offer additional health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Focusing on these natural remedies, probiotic-rich foods, fiber-filled fruits and vegetables, and adequate hydration can help you take significant steps toward repairing your intestines and improving your gut health